Good evening, everybody. Namaskar. Vanakkam. It's an absolute pleasure to be here in Chennai, as Mr. Mayur and Mr. Ravi pointed out. Truly, time flies. It's been a really long time since I have visited Chennai, and coming here is always such a pleasure. There's so much love and so much warmth, and I feel totally at home. And I can't thank you all enough for giving me such a warm welcome with so much love. Firstly, it was brought to my attention by Mr. Ravi that today is Parents' Day. Every day is Parents' Day. And, well, God bless parents all across the world, and we are blessed to have such a beautiful experience in our lives. And like I said, we celebrate that emotion every waking day of our lives. And today we're here, of course, to be celebrating some very important milestones. But mostly I'd like to bring the attention to the fact that we're celebrating 1 lakh stem cell storage units that have already taken place with LifeCell, and I think that's an incredible milestone and something I wanted to underline right at the very onset of what I have to say to you today. So first, a round of applause for LifeCell. Congratulations, Mayur, to your father, your family, and Mr. Ravi as well, and the entire team. I think we're doing dare I say we, because today I feel very much on board and part of the family, but we're doing a very important service in life, and I think it's wonderful to achieve such milestones, to underline them in the public conscious, because it just draws attention to such simple and obvious facts, gifts that we can share with our generations to come in the name of stem cell banking, and particularly cord cell banking. The decision to bank umbilical cord cells had to be taken at a time when taking baby steps into parenthood. And on our part, we did extensive research, spoke to our friends, our families, of course. We were informed already, but you know, at that crucial time in your life, you end up wanting to do only that much more research, being a walking, talking encyclopedia, if you can help it, on the subject. Speak to your doctors. And knowledge can be very, very reassuring and empowering. And once we were made aware of the potential of cord cell banking, the decision was natural. And we recognized how it's the simplest and yet such a precious gift that can be given to our children at such an important time of our lives. So to be able to do so in a timely fashion, I think it's very, very important to be informed on the subject, and that's probably why we all are here, and with the help of our media friends, who I hope are listening, we're able to spread the word to a wider, more receptive audience and society. LifeCell, of course, got in touch with us and informed us extensively. And like I was just referring to the fact that information itself can be so empowering, I think after that, for expectant parents, decision making comes very easily. And with the kind of extensive information that LifeCell shares with expectant parents, the decision to bank our cord cells was very, very easy and natural for us. Having preserved stem cells with LifeCell, I felt that every expectant parent across our country should become aware of this concept. And stem cells from umbilical cord cells are is a nature-given resource that needs to be preserved. And the opportunity to do it in a safe and simple method is given to us during such a beautiful experience of childbirth. And I've experienced this personally myself. So when approached to become the brand ambassador, very honestly, it was just such a natural synergy for me to happily come on board and help in increasing the awareness of knowledge that I had received at the right time in my life. And so we have gotten together as a team and created media communication that we so naturally know as advertising, with photographs and visual representation. We have done an ad film so that the communication can spread far and wide in the way that an audience is used to receiving information. But at the same time, for us, the content of what we were talking about was extremely important. We respected what we were here to talk about, and we have retained that in our communications. So you haven't taken away from the core of what the subject is, and that is umbilical stem cell banking. And so we have shared that in natural circumstances of pre-childbirth, like ceremonies of God Bharai, baby showers, as it may be defined under different titles. But at the end of the day, that's, I think, very true to our natural, social, customary ways in families. And hence we brought that essence into our communication as well. And we also wanted to share how it can be such a natural gift also during such ceremonies that people can gift to each other in terms of the financial investment that goes into cord cell banking. I think we are always looking for gifts to give to the expectant parents, and this can be one as well as an idea. So I'm just sharing that this is something you can think about socially. Because what's wonderful is that LifeCell has taken into consideration affordable pricing, and bearing that in mind, this can very easily be a gift idea during pre-childbirth for families and friends to consider. Having said that, I would again like to reiterate and say that I'm happy to be here today in Chennai, joining LifeCell in their milestone. Today I'll say our milestone of marking 1 lakh storage units, and also another significant beginning today for LifeCell, and that is to note that LifeCell has taken a step towards creating a larger social impact by setting up a public umbilical cord stem cell bank. Now this is a major step towards addressing the dearth of stem cell assets in the country. In the years to come, my best wishes to LifeCell to become the largest public bank in the country, and I hope we make stem cell transplants accessible to all in need. God bless. Mr. Mayur Abhaya, your father, your family, the team that works very, very conscientiously, Ravi, all of you on this journey. I'm happy to be on board with you all to help keep the communication strong, and I definitely wish a fruitful journey up ahead. So God bless, and my best wishes always. Thank you.